Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open your BMW X5 key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, gently pull out the metal emergency key. This key is essential for the next step, as it provides the leverage needed to safely open the fob's casing. This process is straightforward and requires no special tools. Now, with the emergency key in hand, look for a small slot or indentation on the key fob's edge. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot. With a gentle but firm twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the coin cell battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up, before you remove it. Gently pry out the old battery. Most BMW X5 key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.